Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a few essentials now. Update the YouTube app, verify a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or reliable mobile connection, and free up background bandwidth. Once done, force stop the app, clear cache, and restart it. This often resolves temporary UI freezes. Next, open Shorts Analytics and reload the short. Make sure the upload completed by checking Video Manager. If you see processing stalled, do not reupload immediately. Wait and follow the next steps to recover the original upload. Now dig into processing details to fix frozen views. Open Analytics and note whether views incremented on the server or show 0. That tells you if it's a UI glitch versus backend issue. If it's stuck, change the visibility to private and save, wait 10-15 minutes, then flip back to public. This forces a metadata refresh. Also re-encode the source if needed. H. 264 1080p 9:16 under 60 seconds, and reupload only if processing truly failed on the server. Finish by checking the short in YouTube Studio on desktop. Web tools reveal processing logs and viewer patterns that the app may hide. If views remain frozen after 1-2 hours, submit a support report including the video ID, upload timestamp, and screenshots. YouTube can correct backend count issues. As a quick workaround, duplicate or clone the short with a minor title or thumbnail change and publish it. Make sure to monitor analytics and delete duplicates once count stabilize to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.